Children, today we are going to study the lesson number 4, that is skill at work. So, skill andre ಏನು ಚಾಣಾಕ್ಷತನ. So, work andre ಕೆಲಸ. So, here what skills you are going to use, let us see. Okay, so food is necessary for the survival. So, no one is living without food, but it has to bought with some money. Okay, so that money we are going to earn in some work that we call it as occupation. Okay, so here the money is also, it should come and we are going to perform some work, so that we call it as occupation. So all the occupations require some training and skills. Okay, so suppose you are going for some job, so they will give, before joining they will give some training and how you have to work there, that skills you are going to perform. Okay, some occupations are mastered by watching our parents do. In your home, what your mother will do, that we will be watching every day. So that skills are different from what you are going to work outside. Okay, so an occupation, it requires some special training and formal qualification is also required for that, that we call it as profession. So qualification andre ಏನು, qualification andre what you are going to learn, like engineering, B you have done, or MBA you have done, whether you have done BSc, like that different professions are there. So if you are done with your BE, then you will go for engineering. So like that professions are, qualifications are also required for that training and qualification, that we call it as profession. Okay, let us learn about some occupations here. So what are the occupations are there, let us see. Weaver. Weaver means what? He will weave the cloth in a loom. Okay, loom andre ನೇಯ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ, weaver andre ನೇಯೋರಿಗೆ weaver ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೂಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೂಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಮಷಿನ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು weaver ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಬೈ ದ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಬೇಗ ಕಲ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡನ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ. ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೈಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So next is potter. Potter, he makes the different pots and pots, that too in the shapes and sizes it will be different. In the potter's wheel only they will make that. He also makes lamps, diyas for the festivals, the Diwali and all. They used to make the diyas. And the earthenware with wet clay. Wet clay means clay andre adu ಒಂದು ಅರಳು ಮಣ್ಣು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, that too in the black or in the red one. So with the help of that they are going to prepare that. He carves the designs with a sharp knife and fine wires. So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. So the clothes we wear are stitched by the tailor. Tailor is also one occupation, and here for that what they are going to do means they used to stitch the dresses, smart dresses. He takes the measurement and he stitch the clothes with the help of needle, scissor, thread and sewing machine. So here lady tailor will also be there for that. So the different patterns made of colorful threads on the dresses are done by embroider. Nowadays it is very famous, this embroider. Okay, so this embroider dresses are very much famous in Kolkata. With the help of needle, thread and wooden frame, they are going to stitch that. Okay, Kanta work is a type of embroidery. So next, driver is also one occupation. He drives the vehicle, but the bus, taxi, car, etc. But he has to learn the driving before making it a profession. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಗ್ luxury vehicles they have to drive means they have to take this driving license, and for small vehicles also it is necessary. But big vehicles who are running, we call them as chauffeur. Okay, chauffeur anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ driver with uniform, they will be there. Okay, next is beautician. Beautician is also one occupation. Here it helps the people to look smart and beautiful. They will use scissors, combs, creams and lotions for the beautification. Next, here she to become a beautician, she has also go for training courses. Okay, so the next is mechanic. He will repair the faults in a cars, cycle, trucks, and he will use the things here: screwdrivers, spanner, jack. These are all the things which he is going to use to repair the vehicle. Next is engineer. He has to pass out engineering college, then he has to build the bridges, roads, flyovers and houses. He uses the compass and scale to draw the plans on the paper. Okay, these are the what? These are all, we call it as occupations, and here they have given you some activity. I will show you how to write that. Here they have given you an activity, that is, what do the following people do? First one, blacksmith. Here he uses the things iron and steel objects. Dentist, he treats the teeth. Mason, he constructs the house. Plumber, he repairs taps. Electrician, repairs electric things. Goldsmith, gold he will do. So next we are going to study some interesting professions. Here the professions are nothing but what you are going to work. Before going to that, you have to take some training and you have to go, that we call it as profession. Here the journalist, he works for the news channel, newspaper or a magazine, and he will collect the news every day and information on different national and international issues which are presenting on the television, and also they are going to print it in the newspapers. They also interview some of the politicians, actors, government officials, and sometimes even for the public also. Okay, they are going to take the interviews. So next is disc jockey. Means here he plays the music at events like in FM. In the FM they are going to announce some events, right? Like that. Here the disc jockey, it is also a profession. He plays some music at events for the audience. Audience means the peoples. The radio jockey. Here the radio jockey will entertain the listeners on different radio channels. What I said you before, the FM. For that radio jockey they are going to say. Okay, a sculptor uses wood, clay, metal or stone and carves out artistic objects out of them. Sculpture andre ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, so that so sculpture means here shilpigalu. Okay, they used to do the wood, clay, metal or stone. With the help of that, different objects they are going to do. So a fashion designer, he designs the cloth along with the accessories according to the latest trend. Trend andre ಇವಗಿನ ಕಾಲಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that we call it as trend. According to that they are going to prepare the clothes. She or he they will take the training from the some fashion institutions. Okay, so making a career in the defense force. Defense force andre army, navy, air force, these are called as defense forces. It is an interesting profession, but it gives some patriotic feeling. Patriotic feeling andre deshada bhakti antanu ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Defense forces protect the country from enemies, and it also help the people at the time of natural disasters. Natural disasters like flood, okay, earthquake, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೇವಿದವರು ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ to protect from that. Okay, a restaurateur is a person who once owns and runs the restaurants. Restaurant owner ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ಏನಿರ್ತಾರೆ, they will run the restaurants. Okay, with the skillful, this is a skillful profession. Skillful means ತುಂಬ ಚಾಣಾಕ್ಷತನದಿಂದ ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Some restaurants sell various cuisines. Cuisines is nothing but the dishes. Okay, they are going to sell more dishes, not only one. Okay, for example, for that is Sanjeev Kapoor. He used to come in the, before there is one Hindi channel, in that he used to come, Sanjeev Kapoor. He is a Indian chef in the 5-star hotel, and he is an entrepreneur now. He was born in Haryana. His childhood he spent in the New Delhi, and he acquired a diploma in hotel management. Hotel management ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು he used to work in many hotels and received many awards also. He is a chef ಅಂದರೆ cook, a host, an author of cookbooks and restaurant restaurant consult ಮಾಡೋರು, ಮತ್ತು many books he has written on the dishes. Okay, he started his first restaurant Yellow Chili in 2001, and it formed a chain. In 2015, he was invited to Abu Dhabi, and he prepared our Prime Minister Narendra Modi vegetarian meal. He launched his food channel. He is a brand ambassador of Sleek Kitchens, means a modular kitchen. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ವ ಕಿಚನ್ಗಳು, ಆ ಥರ ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, he used to use only sunflower oil brand. Nowadays in the hotels they use Ruchi Gold. Okay, it is not a good one. Sanjeev Kapoor is the most celebrated face of Indian cuisine and a very successful restaurateur. Okay, next, gender and work nowadays. There is no gender discrimination, means ನಾವು ಮೇಲು ಮತ್ತು ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. So nowadays it has become what, nowadays while selecting a majority of professions, so according to profession only we used to choose the persons according to their qualifications. The work done earlier by men only is now done by women too. So we see many women are also, they are working in all the fields. Okay, so nowadays she is not less than any females. Okay, any males. Nowadays she can handle in any occupation, any work she can do. We must respect all the jobs and the people who do them. Okay, thank you children.